Hello, this is video 10 from the 14. And yesterday we were talking about how to energize yourself by breathing prana and generating from the inside out an internal and an external prana sphere. And that is in a way very easy. Yes, you have to know it once, but later on it becomes something that comes from the inside out. Don't worry, you will do it automatically because you know it so soon and it is so logical. So yes, it is in the beginning a mental instruction, but if your mind, if the logical part of your brain, the left half of your brain, doesn't understand what you are doing, it will always question, and why are you doing this, and why are you doing that? And so I prefer to give you the answers already straight away, the insights, and then your left half of the brain doesn't question anymore. And that is the moment that you can start to use both halves of the brain at the same time, and instead of either or. Okay. So in 1950, David Suzuki discovered that on the sun there were very new movements, explosions, and they were coming and coming, and he was studying the sun non-stop all the time. And then he discovered that the sun was in her own, or her own transformation process from changing from an hydrogen sun into a helium sun, from one carbon atom into two together. And by fusing these two carbon atoms, a lot of energy comes free. And those are the sun flares, the sun explosions and whatever. And Father Sun is sending this to Mother Earth. And Mother Earth is increasing her frequency. And the higher our frequency, either the sun or the earth or we, the higher our consciousness. So simple. And if you have a very low frequency, then you have a low vision of the world and you perceive another world. Yes? So I hope you give yourself the present of perceiving the world as something magical and as something wonderful. And suddenly you understand that we all work together. Father Sun, Mother Earth, and we, their children, we all are increasing our frequency. And if we don't do it, then all the external frequencies, because everything is increasing, we want more videos, we want more pictures and whatever, and messages, and we send and we send. So all the infrastructure has to adapt. So yes, and we have to adapt, and let's just all work together. Let's get to the internal work that you increase your frequency. Okay, tomorrow we go on. Bye-bye.